Hey guys, tell you what, yeah, no cooking video this week, guys. I am driving in kind of slow, rainy weather traffic, so if I'm not looking at you, bear with me. I just want to get with you. This holidays time has probably left a whole bunch of us quite busy trying to get everything ready. And yeah, it hit me. I just did not get a video ready this week, guys. I did shoot a video for next week, which is Christmas Day. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's not your traditional Christmas dinner, but it's what we do here at the Rogers house, or at the Rogers house when I get there. So guys, yeah, I may or may not in the next few weeks have videos. Just wanted to give you a heads up on that. I typically take a couple weeks off after Christmas. I have some time off I'll be spending with the family. I might shoot a video or two. I just can't guarantee I'll get them edited, so we'll leave it at that. Definitely won't have one. Well, you'll have this video today instead of a cooking video, and then you'll definitely have one for Christmas Day, assuming I get it edited. And after that, for the next couple weeks, it'd be hit or miss, but we'll be back in the new year. And slow traffic, guys. Slow traffic. We'll definitely be back in the new year, ready to go. Got a whole bunch planned and a whole bunch going on. So, guys, till next week, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.